Hello and welcome. This is Cryptos Chain from Simple Cryptocurrency Reviews, and today I would like to present to you some news from some of the Neo blockchain projects. Now, as we can see on Neo News today, posted 2 days ago on November 2nd, 2018, Narrative updates alpha version of its content network. Social media project Narrative recently announced an update to the alpha version of its content network. Narrative reports that the site's architecture is new and with an entirely new front end. The Narrative alpha does not serve content but is focused on building out its platform through a niche management system in which new topics are approved and auctioned off. A referral program is also in place to incentivize new signups. Okay, this is a real important part here. Narrative Alpha. So the release of the update to Narrative Alpha, announced on October 31st, 2018, fits the Narrative roadmap. Although activities in the Narrative Alpha can generate NRVE rewards, which is their token, they will not be paid out until further development of the platform. Narrative says that its revised front-end foreshadows the upcoming Narrative beta release. Changes to the alpha's update include site restructuring, rebuild user profile pages, 72-hour countdowns for auctions and voting activity, and an improved search function. Meanwhile, members of Narrative's private alpha site will start to see rollout of individual features before they launch in the beta version, planned for December 2018. Now, the Narrative beta. The next step for the Narrative team is a public beta release that brings content posting, reputation scoring, and rewards program settlement. More features such as comments, sharing, bookmarking, moderator elections, content ratings, and personalizable publishing options are slated for development and gradual release later in the beta. The full update announcement from Narrative can be viewed at the following link, and more information about the Narrative project may be found through the links below. Okay, to access their social media platform. So that's it from Narrative. Let's move on to Ontology. Okay, Ontology are no longer on the Neo blockchain, they're on their own blockchain, but these news are related to the token swap, which took place in October. So 99.32% of Ontology tokens swapped for mainnet ONT in partnership with GAS provider, gas provider. Now, Ontology has partnered with Ubitus, the largest GPU as a service GAS provider in Northeast Asia, and announced 99.32% of NEP ONT tokens that have been swapped for mainnet ONT in the partnership. Ontology will provide comprehensive blockchain technology support for Ubitus, including data exchange, data identity, smart contracts, and other services. Ubitus is a technology provider based out on Taipei, Taiwan, and offers the cloud-based services for potential game cloud for device manufacturers, wired wireless communication service providers, telecommunication operators, and digital content developers. The partnership seeks to minimize the costs of accessing artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning in the gaming world through the use of blockchain, smart contracts, and other technologies. Additionally, Ontology believes the use of its underlying architecture will ensure all users in the ecosystem share mature AI models and large training databases. Ubitus hopes to introduce cloud game content and developers to the Ontology ecosystem. Additionally, both parties strive to carry out in-depth cooperation in product and technology promotion, information sharing, ecosystem construction, and community. On the partnership, Wesley Kuo, the CEO of Ubitus, stated that we look forward to making full use of Ontology's distributed trust technology and build a decentralized AI computing power ecosystem with our cooperation, eliminating industry barriers so that the game industry can embrace more good ideas which will bring a better game content and gaming experience to players. Ontology NEP 5.2 mainnet token swap. Now, the Ontology mainnet token swap closed at 12 a.m. UTC-12 on October 1st, 2018, and in total 99.32% of the 1 billion ONT token supply has been swapped for mainnet ONT. For users who did not complete the swap prior to October 1st, there is a fallback plan in place. Said individuals can complete the swap by 12 a.m. on Monday, December 31st. Afterward, there will be no more opportunities to conduct the swap. Whoa, okay, so that's quite some time, December 31st. Now, individuals will be able to make the token swap using the Onto mobile application, O Wallet desktop application, the O3 wallet, or BitKeep wallet. For a step-by-step guide on converting NEP5 ONT to mainnet ONT, visit the link below, which is a Medium article. Here I'm going to post this link to Neo News today so that anybody watching my video that is interested in knowing how they can do the swap from NEP5, which is on the Neo blockchain, to the mainnet ontology, can access this link. More information about Ontology can be found at the links below, and these are all their social media channels. And finally, before I end the news, Moonlight is another project which I've reviewed. So I'm going to talk about the news that we've got from them. Now, Moonlight releases updated roadmap for its workforce DApp. The Moonlight project, which aims to create a smart economy workforce for contract labor, recently published a roadmap of upcoming releases for the Moonlight DApp. The roadmap comes after a careful consideration of user experience, UX considerations. Moonlight design philosophy stems from the promise that its product needs to be tailored for its users. Profile management tools. Now, the first phase of Moonlight's product trajectory, Copernicus, is slated for release in 2018. Copernicus is meant to allow for digital identity verification and the creation of digital resumes. Management of digital identities is an important building block that future releases will build upon. The recruitment portal. The second phase, Kepler, slated for 2019, focuses on talent recruitment, hiring while promising trustless resumes, certified by blockchain, multiple payment options, and a matchmaking engine. Project management suite. Galileo, Moonlight's third phase, focuses on project management with support for collaboration between multiple teams, smart contract, and web APIs. Decentralized identity. Finally, Moonlight announced a new community-driven universal blockchain identity initiative called Constellation. Constellation is created and backed by a consortium that currently includes Moonlight, Bridge Protocol, City of Zion, and Neo Global Development. The goals is to create a standard for decentralized identity and reputation in order to streamline development in blockchain and make dApps more secure and simple to use in the near future. Constellation will undergo development throughout 2019. The Moonlight design considerations and roadmap announcements may be found at the following links. So once again, I am going to post a link to this article in one of the comments. I'm going to pin the comment in the video below so you guys will be able to access it directly. And if you want to access Moonlight's social media channels, you can find them below as well. So yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to cover. Just before I go, I do want to say that Moonlight are actually the first project on the Neo blockchain which announced that they're going to distribute gas to LX holders. Okay, LX is the ticker symbol for Moonlight. Okay, so the token that Moonlight use within their ecosystem is called LX. And that token, if you hold it, you can generate gas, Neo gas, okay? And it's going to be redistributed back to holders. There is 1 billion total supply of LX tokens, so just keep that in mind as well. I have actually done a video where I reviewed the project, so I may post a link to that video as well at the end of this video so you can directly access that if you're interested in finding out more. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and finally please like the video if you enjoyed it. It would be of great help. Thank you very much and see you in my next video. Goodbye.